Hello and welcome to our next lecture from this email marketing passive income course. As you have seen in our previous videos, we have discussed about setting up an account on MailerLite, which is a free email marketing service or autoresponder service, how to create a new subscribers group, basically your subscribers list, and how to create or design a landing page or an opt-in form so that the traffic you are sending there actually transforms into subscribers that get on your list and then start to get your emails, your automatic emails, which ultimately sells them a product of your own or an affiliate offer and starts making you money. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up this automation flow, this new workflow in MailerLite. So basically how you can set up those emails that you will send automatically and that ultimately will sell to your new subscribers. Basically what you have to do after you log into your account, you know that you have the horizontal menu in the upper part of your screen. You go and click on the automation button or option, and this is what you will see. I have only one workflow here. In the beginning you will see nothing because you won't have any workflows, and what you need to do is click on this big orange button which says create a new workflow. So let's click on it together. Now bear with me for a couple of seconds because the app is actually loading. Okay, and now we have a new workflow. Okay, here is basically the editor. You can see here setup workflow trigger. We have first of all to give a name to our workflow 2, let's leave it like that, trigger. When subscribers join a group, when subscribers join a segment, you can segment your groups. When subscriber exits a segment, the anniversary of a date, the exact match of a date. So maybe, I don't know, you want to send an email to your subscriber 1 year after he joined the list or something like that. When a subscriber clicks a link, so you can go as in depth with this automation of email sending as basically setting up a new sequence of emails whenever someone clicks a specific link from an email of yours. Okay, so you can get into a lot of detail with this, but the whole idea is to keep it simple, especially in the beginning. So what we want to do is select the option when subscribers joins a group. Okay, we will have to select the group. It's our testing one group. We have an option for our settings here. We activate the full workflow for subscribers who rejoin the same group in the future. No, we don't want that to happen. Now we have here the option to set up the workflow trigger. We will click on this option here. Actually, first of all, we have to save. So this will be the first trigger when a subscriber joins a group. We can see here the workflow does not have any sent emails yet. So basically here we can see any stats if we have any stats in this workflow, but for the moment this is something new, so we don't have any stats. From here we activate on workflow. Workflow can be started, is missing email or action step. Okay, so we cannot activate it at the moment as we don't have any actions added to it. So what we have to do right now is go here in the canvas and press the plus button. Add the next step to your workflow. So what happens when a subscriber joins a group? That is the trigger. Well, after a subscriber joins a group, maybe you want to send him a thank you email. That will be the first step of your workflow. So this will be the first email. You can say whatever here, like thank you for joining, or something like that. You can insert an emoji if you want to. Okay, who is it from? Email content. Here you design your email. You can use Google Analytics to track your links, language, and boom, you press save. Now you will have to obviously, as you have seen already in this course and in this video series, you won't have only one email and then the next email you will sell. Okay, you will have 4 or 5 emails that will warm up your market, and only after that you will start selling to them. Okay, so maybe you want, after the first thank you email, to leave them alone for 2 days, so you will select a delay for 2 days, then you save. Okay, so you have a delay, and after 2 days you send them another email. Okay, and in this new email you can tell them, I don't know, something like free gift inside, right? You send them a free PDF, free gift inside. Anyway, you got the idea. Okay, and you press the save button. So here is the workflow so far. Now after this second email, maybe you want to segment your audience, people who actually read your emails and people who didn't. So you can send new emails to people who actually read your first emails, right? Because otherwise it makes no sense. Condition, workflow activity, segment membership, campaign activity, not campaign, workflow activity. You don't have any emails to select. Actually, I have some emails to select, but anyway, thank you for joining. We didn't give it a name. Save. Okay. So the condition here would be workflow activity. Define the condition. We cannot set custom fields. No. Cancel. Okay. So after the second email, you probably want to segment your audience, people who've read your emails, people who didn't, and send the next few emails to the people who actually read your first emails, or you can just send to all of them. That's the simpler way to go. What we have to do is press again on the plus button. You can take an action like copy to a group, remove from a group, mark as unsubscribe. We can do stuff like that. Copy to a group. Okay. Select the group, so we can choose people who got this email to copy them to actually to copy the group to copy the email to a new group if you want to. And basically how we segment people who actually read the email and people who didn't, we select the condition part. Okay, we add the condition, and after the condition, if people read, we go with the next email. If people didn't read the email, we put them in a different group or something like that. Anyway, after your second email, you can add a 1-day delay. Okay. And then you can add a new email and so on, right? Till you finish your 5 or 6 email series till you sell the product to people. Okay, this is how it works. As you can see, automation is very, very easy. After you have everything done, let me just type in something there. After you have everything done, language English. Okay, free gift, save. Okay, after you are done with your workflow, okay, you just turn it on. For now you cannot turn it on because we have 3 incomplete steps. Basically nobody went through these steps, so we can test it. But anyway, this is how it works. After you finish your workflow here, you just turn it on and it will be activated. It will start to work, and that's how you set up automation and an autoresponder with MailerLite. That's how you set up the emails that will be sent automatically and will sell to your customer. Now, in a different lecture, we will show you how you can write these emails, where you can outsource them, so that you don't have to write them yourself if you don't want to. Okay, thank you very much for your attention, and we are looking forward to see you in our next lecture.